We've seen quite the turnaround as far as precipitation goes over the course of the last 48 hours. We were running quite a deficit for the month of July at the airport until the last 48 hours really propelled us above the average. And what we needed was more widespread precipitation. Didn't necessarily get that 2 days ago, but yesterday everyone got in on a little bit of precipitation at the lowest amounts, maybe a quarter to a half of an inch. But the big winners were really in our central viewing area. Areas you see here, the yellows, really from the blues, the yellows over towards the dark oranges. These are rainfall totals spanning anywhere from 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches from our western parts of our viewing area in Mahoning County to downtown Youngstown, even crossing the state line, making their way into southern Mercer and portions of far northern Lawrence County. So a good deal of rainfall for everybody. At the airport, though, I told you it was a good 48-hour swing for us. Technically, 3 days in a row we've received rainfall at the airport. But between 2 days ago and yesterday, it's propelled us to now over 1/2 inch above the average. Month-to-date total 3.83 inches. Yesterday, we received 0.54. Remember that. Keep that in the back of your mind. Today is Christmas in July, so I wanted to have a little fun. 0.54 is what we received at the airport for rainfall yesterday. But what would it be when it comes to snow? We're always crossing our fingers, right, for a white Christmas. Okay, so 0.54 was yesterday's rainfall, and if we convert it from rain to snow, a standard 10-to-1 ratio, rain to snow ratio, is kind of something we go by, a good average when we convert that liquid to frozen precipitation. That rain to snow ratio would bring us to 5.4 inches. So that's what it would be if it was an even 10-to-1 ratio and we received that liquid precipitation in the frozen form. Right now, though, no liquid precipitation falling. Clouds, though, hanging with us. Everything dry right now on radar. Immediately off to our northwest are a couple of sprinkles and showers forming from Kent over towards the Wadsworth and Medina area. These might move into our viewing area and graze our viewing area here in the early afternoon. Temperature-wise, though, we're anywhere from the mid to upper 60s. Dew points were in the mid 60s. Expect dew points like you see in Detroit and Grand Rapids as we go closer to sunset tonight. So today's high temperature will make it into the upper 70s, maybe an early sprinkle or shower here this afternoon. Definitely less humid. Beautiful night for night one of Our Lady of Mount Carmel Italian Festival at the Basilica in Youngstown. Temperatures will slide back into the upper 60s towards sunset. And as we head into tonight, temperature-wise, we make our way to the mid-50s tomorrow morning. We'll see some patchy fog, but overall things really rebound for the day on Friday. A seasonable day as we make it into the low 80s, even warmer for Saturday as we make it into the upper 80s, and we could be saying hello to the low 90s on Sunday. Showers and storms return to our forecast, guys, as we head into the first half of next week. So we're going to be more comfortable here the next couple of days, but things looking pretty warm by the end of the weekend.
Did you have snow in our forecast? What was did I miss something?
No, that was the rain to snow conversion. Okay, yeah.
And when we're talking about 90-degree temperatures,
right,
it's
right.
Kind of interesting to talk about snow.
Right, right. Christmas in July kind of tie in there.
So,
yeah.
All right.